Hello and welcome to Office 365. This is a tutorial on Sway. Once you've logged into Office 365 with your NetID and password, you can navigate down to the Sway icon and select that. You'll be taken to the Sway homepage. Sway is basically a PowerPoint that is super responsive and super easy to make. And ultimately the final product will look like it's taken hours for you to design. It's really quick and easy to use. So we'll click one that's been already made. It's gonna load for a minute and allow us to come to this home page. Sway also has these cute little tutorial icons that are gonna be popping up if we need them. So we'll just click out of that for now. If we navigate to the top of the screen, we can see various options. We have cards to begin with. These are your cards. It's a quick way of adding content. So the storyline here is all of what is going to appear within your PowerPoint itself, or Sway. So we can scroll down and see all of the content that we have so far. And the nice thing about Sway is that we simply have to add it, and Sway will create the presentation for us. So this is all the content we have. So now these are all classified as cards. So if we want to add something else, we can do that here. We can select image, add an image, and Sway is very responsive. It knows what our topic is, and it will automatically pull content up for us. So since we're talking about Iowa State University, we can add an image in here. Let's add a College of Design image, or let's do the Campanile. We can select that, hit add, and our image will be added. So we've got a couple options. If we want to add a caption, we can add focus points to the image, which is basically telling Sway that we're going to say this: the clock and the bell tower, the most important part of the Campanile. So it will know to crop it on those focus points. So we're going to click out of that, and we can see all of our cards here. We can select insert if we still want to insert some more content. We can search, select out of that, make sure we don't want to add anything else. Scroll down here. I think we're okay for now. We can also change the design if we want. Currently it's set on this blue color, but we can scroll down and find something that we like. Let's see, let's do a nice red here. Let's see if we've got a nice one. Oh, let's just stick with this red. So now that will change the design automatically, which is nice for us. So we're currently in the preview. So currently our Sway is set up to scroll down. So we're scrolling down to view our presentation. However, if we want to change that, we can navigate up to layout and change how we want our presentation to scroll. So right now it's set to scroll vertically, but let's say we want something scrolling horizontally. Simply select it, and you can see in your presentation that it has been changed to scroll horizontally. Let's see, it's very nice and responsive. It adds our images, adds our content. Without us having to do a thing, we can go all the way back to the front. Again, if we want to have it set as a simple presentation similar to PowerPoint, we'll select this option here, and we'll have slides very similar to PowerPoint. So we've got all of those. Let's go back and change it to a horizontal layout. We can edit the storyline if we needed to. If we're not happy with it, you can select a card and delete it if we want. We can add some more simply right here, but we don't need to do that right now. So if we want to change if our layout is something that we're not happy with, we can go ahead and hit remix, and it will completely redo our presentation. Again, these nice little tutorials pop up. If we aren't happy with it, we can hit undo, but it's a cool way just to switch it up. So this is change it to pink, which we are not a fan of, so we're going to select undo, and it's changed it back to our selected theme. But again, Sway is beautiful in the sense that it creates very, very, very efficient presentations that look nicely designed. So if we want to see our final product, we can hit play up here, and it will load it with the effects that Sway automatically adds to our presentation. Seeing these scroll beautifully and have nice transitions, which we haven't even had to add. So if we want to exit, we'll just navigate up to the top here. You can edit, change the layout, or share if we're happy. So we'll just go back to edit. Again, these options are again added up here. You can add some more authors to work on this Sway. We can share it, or if we're still confused on Sway, we can click on tutorials and they'll show us how to work with Sway. Thanks for watching Office 365 tutorial on Sway. If you would like to learn more, go to extension at iowastate.edu/IT or navigate to tutorials. Check out our other 365 walkthroughs. Thanks.